welcome back to my channel. Today is a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. I hope you guys like this video. Let's get started everything. I hope you have fun watching these hauls on this channel. Thank you so much, and let's start hauling. My amazing crappers, I hope you're excited for this video because I know I am. We're almost done doing these unboxing of these cool boxes that I bought at Five Below, and they still have a lot there that you can go buy. I don't know about these ones particular, because I bought these back a few months ago. Some of them I bought, some about a couple of days ago, some about a week ago, but I had so much fun showing these boxes. This is all for us beginner artists to get better at drawing, so that's why these kits are fun. And keep all the art supplies inside of them, like the color pencils, the markers, the crayons, the everything you need inside these kits. You should keep those until you can afford your own type of art supplies you can buy. So let's get started with this video. Let's do this. Let me show you what I got, how many boxes I got left. I hope you guys are ready. I know I am. Poof! My amazing crap artists, are you ready to count to see how many art kits I have left? Hopefully you do, you guys. I'm so excited. Let's start at the top. 1 Mermaid, 2 Sketchbook, 3 Mandala. And these are going to be so much fun. Which one should we do this time around for the next unboxing? 1, 2, 3. I love the one at the bottom, Mandela. I never did that before. I can't wait to do that. Sketchbook, that's kind of cool. Mermaids rock, because Mermaid, I love the, look at the title. Look at that. That looks so cool. I love that. You know what I'm going to go for? Ta-da! Sketchbook. So let's open up this one. We have an empty table, so let's open up this box. This is the first kit that I thought I would show you that has nothing to do with a character. Wait, am I right? Yeah, it's not even manga. It's not Frozen. It's not any of those ones I showed you earlier in my series of unboxing these videos. So it's a Sketchbook Deluxe. Deluxe, you guys. Art kit. What? It has all this cool stuff in here. It has all these pencils right here you need. So let's look at everything you need. 2 pastel sticks included. And then over here it says 6 graphite pencils included. And I love everything about this kit. I love how it is drawing me in by this drawing right here. Whoever drew this, thank you so much. And also this farmhouse looks great. I love that too. Like a windmill right there. So that's really fun to look at. And I can't wait to open this up. So let's open this box up and show you everything. I think this is for ages 6 and up, like I said before. You got to be careful, kids. You don't want to just buy, art supplies and your mom doesn't know about it. So tell your mom and dad to buy this if you can. If you're a kid watching this, if you're not a kid watching this, just buy it for your kid and say, be careful. It's called right here at the bottom. Let's open up everything. It has nothing to see on the side. So what's the back have to show you? Oh yeah, let's show the back like I always do. We're going to show the back. This is a big box, so sorry about that. Sketchbook Deluxe Kit. This is all the things you get. You even get a sketchbook in there, which I thought that was kind of cool. A pencil sharpener and also a eraser. So, ooh. Oh yeah, and a stump right here. A blending stump. So let's open this up and we'll show everything we got in this box. Oh, at the bottom it shows you everything. It just includes everything you need. I love kits like that. 6 graphite pencils, and 2H, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 2 charcoal pencils, 2 pastel sticks, one blending stick, 1 pencil sharpener, 1 eraser, 1 sketchbook. So that's what everything looks like. Let's open this box up and see. Which side is it open? Oh, I opened on this side. I think I did. Yeah, because it had tape on it. It had tape on it. I can't get it open. Right now, I can't get it open. Sorry. Oh, man. I'll be right back, you guys. It's so bad. It looks like all open up, you guys. All open up. It took forever to open this. I opened the wrong side up. This is the side I had open in the first place. I took the tape off earlier because it was going to be hard to open. So it's going to show you what's in there. I can't really show you, but we'll open it up and show you. I can't wait to show you everything. And this is going to be so much fun to do. I love these kind of videos. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. That's what it looks like the plastic's do on it. So let's take off the plastic if I can. Uh-oh, some of the stumps are falling out. No, don't break. Don't fall out. Oh, man. It's going to be hard to take this out. But let's see if I can turn over for you guys. Yeah, let's turn over and take it out. Oh, they're taped down. That's why they're taped down. But that's so cool. I'm going to put it on the side over here. As you can see, I'll put them over here. They're taped down. I don't want to break them. Dang, that was annoying. And then you have the pencils right here that I can try to take out too. See if I can take it out with one hand. Also, I'm doing a video on some technology I just bought, so these will be better videos. If I can get the pencil out. There we go, it's one. Like it's right over there, so you know. I'm just putting it anywhere like you care, but I just put it there anyways. Okay, there's 2 that popped out. Good. Because I want to put this in my in one of my pencil cases. I got some metal ones. I also have some really cool. Is that a sharpener? How do I get that sharpener out? Oh, the sharpener popped out on its own. Okay, so the rest these out. I'm not messing this up. Uh-oh. Here we go. There's another one. So they're all over here in case you care. I know you probably don't, but I thought it's so that, man, it's so hard to do this. I love unboxing, but sometimes the boxing they don't want you to get into this stuff, do they? They don't want you to become a craft artist or a great artist or anything like that. And I guess I'll show you the rest when I get done, you guys. So I'll be right back. Have fun watching this part. Everything out of the container, so let's show you the eraser up close. This eraser feels like one of those kneaded erasers, so soft and chewy, like candy. That's what the eraser looks like. So, and this is the sharpener, like any old sharpener you can get. I'm going to keep all these sharpeners for these kids. And then I have a blending stump, like I showed you earlier. I love blending stumps, they're really cool. And then, see, these are the chalk pastels, like I said earlier. Uh-oh, something just fell. Pretty colors right here. There's like dark black and dark brown. And then these are the drawing pencils, as you can see. Let's go closer. Soft, hard, and all the cool drawing pencils. These are really cool. I love looking at these. Really good to draw. I'm going to start drawing with more and more drawing pencils. So that's what they look like. And I can't wait to use these. It's going to be so much fun. Loving that. So let's get into the sketchbook. This sketchbook looks so cool. I love the design right here. And I love how it looks. I don't have any papers in here. I mean, how many sheets? I don't know. But it looks kind of thin. So we're going to only use pencil on this, maybe. Just pencil and color pencil. I can't wait to do this. Is going to be so much fun to draw on this. I love this. Let's turn over to the back. Oh, nothing's on the back. Well, that's cool. But I love that so much. I can't wait to do this, you guys. I had so much fun showing you this one. This was kind of simple to open up. I mean, not simple. It was hard to open, but it was a simple art book for all amateurs, artists, all you guys are trying to learn how to draw. So hopefully you get excited about this video. I had so much fun showing the sketchbook and all the supplies. And if you're an artist out there trying to get some supplies you can't afford it, just get one of these kits. They're $5, sometimes they're $3, $2. It depends if you can get a good deal or not. But everyone I got these kits were $5 or less. And it was so much fun doing this video. Thank you so much to my craft artists. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and what? You don't know who I am. My name is Dee Dee Scraps. My life is a craft artist, and I have a few more of these unboxings to do for you guys, and I can't wait to do it. So thank you so much, and keep sketching in your sketchbooks. Have fun drawing, and keep crafting no matter what, because it's Dee Dee Scraps.